Good day, everyone. Our topic for now is about rules in differentiation or rules for the calculating derivatives. The first rule for calculating derivatives is the constant rule where y is equals to c, then y prime is equals to 0. Example is y is equals to 3, y prime is equals to 0, or the derivative of 3 is 0. And the second rule is the power rule where y is equals to x to the power of n, then y prime is equals to nx to the power of n minus 1. Example is y is equals to x to the power of 5, y prime is equals to 5x to the power of 5 minus 1, y prime is equals to 5x to the power of 4. And the third rule is the constant and exponent rule where y is equal to c x to the power of n, then y prime is equal to c n x to the power of n minus 1. Example is y is equal to 4 x to the power of 6, y prime is equal to 6 times 4 x to the power of 6 minus 1. Y prime is equal to 6 times 4 x to the power of 5, then y prime is equal to 24x to the power of 5. The fourth rule is the sum rule where y is equals to a plus or minus b, then y prime is equals to a prime plus or minus b prime. Example is y is equals to x to the power of 4 plus 3x cubed minus 5x plus 3. Then the y prime is 4x cubed plus 9x squared minus 5. And the fifth rule is the product rule where y is equals to ab, then y prime is equals to ab prime plus b a prime. Example is y is equals to the quantity of x squared plus 1 times the quantity of x cubed plus 4. Y prime is equals to the quantity of x squared plus 1 times the quantity of 3x squared plus the quantity of x cubed plus 4 times the quantity of 2x. Then y prime is equals to 3x to the power of 4 plus 3x squared plus 2x to the power of 4 plus 8x. Then the answer is y prime is equals to 5x to the power of 4 plus 3x squared plus 8x. And the sixth rule is the quotient rule where y is equals to the quantity of a over b, then y prime is equals to b a prime minus a b prime over b squared. Example is y is equals to x squared plus 3 over x minus 2. Then y prime is equal to the quantity of x minus 2 times the quantity of 2x minus the quantity of x squared plus 3 times 1 over the quantity of x minus 2 squared. Next is y prime is 2x squared minus 4x minus x squared plus 3 over the quantity of x minus 2 squared. Then the answer is y prime is equals to x squared minus 4x minus 3 over the quantity of x minus 2 squared. The seventh rule is the chain rule where y is equals to a to the power of n, then y prime is equals to n a to the power of n minus 1 times a prime. Example is y is equals to the quantity of x squared plus 5 squared. Y prime is equals to 2 times the quantity of x squared plus 5 times the quantity of 2x. Therefore, y prime is equals to 4x times the quantity of x squared plus 5. And the last rule for calculating derivative is the negative integer power. where y is equals to 1 over a to the power of n, then y prime is equals to a to the power of negative n minus 1. Example is y is equals to 1 over the quantity of x squared minus 1 to the power of 5. Y prime is equals to the quantity of x squared minus 1 to the power of negative 5. Y prime is equal to negative 5 times the quantity of x squared minus 1 to the power of negative 5 minus 1 times the quantity of 2x. Then y prime is equal to negative 5 times the quantity of x squared minus 1 to the power of negative 6 times the quantity of 2x. Then the answer is y prime is equal to negative 10x over the quantity of x squared minus 1 to the power of 6. And again, the rules in differentiation or rules for calculating derivatives are these: the constant rule, the power rule, the constant and exponent rule, number 4, the sum rule, number 5, the product rule, number 6, the quotient rule, number 7, the chain rule, and the last one is negative integer power. And that would be all. Thank you and God bless everyone.